The weather was not perfect, a little too windy for a great beach experience, but many made the best of it, celebrating Easter in a different way, but still with people getting together, connecting. He says, I arrived here yesterday with my family. I am here to entertain them and I hope they are happy. He says, yesterday it was my partner's birthday, so we decided to come here today and celebrate it. It's also a great time for entrepreneurs.
Big days.
Business is low during the year, but on big days like Easter and December, we make more money. The Buffalo City Metro is executing plans to ensure that the city is safe for tourists and residents.
With additional patrols that are patrolling, you can see traffic officers, so there's a visibility of the law enforcement in the city. The vegetation, it's the beauty, it describes our beauty, but as the city, we have tried to keep the city clean. As you can see, the grass is clean for now. So we have everyone supporting us, our community supporting us. As you can see that we have additional lifeguards that are on site today, about 15 or so. Each and every beach, we have patrols in every beach. We have the visibility of the city police and the South African police services to make sure that we fight crime.
The Metro is also calling on motorists to be careful and law-abiding to ensure that the roads are safe. Lubabalo Tata, SABC News, East London.